viewers, welcome to Ace Tuning Outdoors. In this video I'm going to show you how to install these two bad boys into a V6 Mercedes motor. Stay tuned. Alright, so you're going to want to start by taking out the two air intake ducts. They're pretty easy, they just come out like this, slide off. Very accordion-like. This cover sits on four ball-like supports. There you go, so now that's loose. And that's with the air intake box removed. These are those four mounting points I was talking about. Alright, so now you're going to want to remove these four screws using your Torx 25. So now I went ahead and did the same to the other side. This would be the passenger side. We're going to take the passenger side one like this, set the filter inside. Yeah, so now your passenger and driver side are ready to go back in. Remove these old ones. I'm going to take the air box and give it a little clean before putting the new filters on. Now that your air intake box is all cleaned up, I just took an air gun and a compressor and blew out all the dust and all the debris. Now it's ready for your new filters. So I'm going to start with the passenger side. Started. Now I'm going to go to the driver's side. Once it's all tight, then it's ready to go back in the car. Alright, so now we're going to get ready to put this back in the motor. One very important thing is you're going to want to line up your airbox hole with that mass airflow sensor hole. Just like that. You're going to want to push down on it. Now it's seated in the proper position. You can go ahead and put your air ducts back.